In a pan on medium heat, add cooking oil, onion, add garlic, lean ground beef, red wine, nutmeg, paprika, button mushrooms, carrot, and mix. In a small pot on high heat, bring water to a boil. Add instant brown gravy. Turn off the heat. Add tomato paste. Pour the gravy into the meat. Remove from heat when it has a desired consistency. For pie crust, using a 4-inch ring, create the bottom pie shell. Scoop the meat into each pie. Using a 3-inch ring, create the top of the pie shells. Crimp the top to the bottom. Put 5 holes in the top center of each pie crust. Place both muffin trays on cookie sheets. Beat an egg. Brush onto pie crust. Place in oven for 20 minutes. Cook at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow the pie crust to cool. This meat pie is best served as a floater on top of pea soup. Garnish with ketchup. And enjoy your Australian meat pie.